Hello everybody, welcome back. So even though it's just March, still a little cold, we're just gonna go ahead, get a jump on the lawn, mow it down a little bit, get some of that dead stuff off, and we'll dethatch it, do some pre-emergent, we'll send out a soil test. So let's get to work. Back at the dethatching. I'll tell you guys what, this little Sunjoe is definitely a worthwhile investment. Had it for a few years now, and it's been doing great work this whole time. Look at all the stuff that's pulling up. And if you're curious about the tape on it, that's just to help this little flap stay open. Otherwise, all this stuff kind of just clumps up in there. But yeah, this little guy puts in his worth. I don't think they sell this exact model on Amazon anymore. Like I said, I got this guy maybe 3 years ago now. So I think they might have changed the models around. But even this little guy, I think it was like 120. Look at the amazing job that it does. Anyway, I'll see you guys at the cleanup. And just like that, we got the lawn dethatched. About 4,000 square feet in around 20 minutes. This little Sunjoe, man, I'm telling you, great little machine. So now we gotta clean all this stuff up. So this is why I love having a bagger on my mower. So the mower will just suck all this stuff up. I won't have to rake it or blow it or anything. Wonder how many loads we're gonna get. Let's find out. Well, that's about half the yard cleaned up. And we are definitely overflowing. So let's go empty this out. There'll probably be 2 more full loads to get this all cleaned up. So time to empty out load number 2. I think 1 more and we'll be done. And finally, we have load number 3. So you can see really how much of this stuff builds up throughout the year. And don't forget, we did a whole dethatching in the fall. So this is just a couple months worth of cutting before the winter. All this stuff built up. Anyway, now we got all this stuff out of the ground. Next time what we'll do is we'll send out a soil test and spray down some of our pre-emergents. Anyway, thanks again. Take care.